Hello friends, my name is Manish
And my name is Andy.
and he's my son. Today together we're gonna make egg cheese sandwich. He's hungry, so I'm gonna make it for him. It's a quick fix and all dads can actually do this today for the
Yes.
And I think in previous video with Samir we forgot to add his funny bit, so he volunteered to be with me today. Okay? Brave boy. Stove in a low to medium first. It's a small pan. I got it from store. Then Andy is gonna help me in crushing black pepper. Right, Andy? And we need 2 eggs, bread, hamburger bread, cheese. That's it, and salt. You like it, Andy?
Yeah.
What do you mean by it won't work? You gotta force it, push it hard. Can you do that? Okay, so do one thing. Okay, so this is on. You take one, right? And then you press it hard. A little bit of smashing, right? Okay, good. See? Wanna do it? Come on.
Yeah.
You can do one. Crushed it a little bit. Okay, great. This is good. This is good for us now. I'm gonna warm up this bread, right? One on each side, right? I'm gonna increase the flame now, right?
Yeah.
So
You might want to add a butter on
butter on
the bottom.
the bottom.
Maybe.
Why do you think?
I don't know.
Okay, I'll add butter on the bottom. I'll add butter in the bottom.
I mean, they did that in the video.
Okay,
Just a little bit.
little bit. Little bit butter.
Yeah.
Okay. So we'll add a little bit of. When do we turn on? Okay.
Okay.
And so I think we're done with one side. For the other side, I'm gonna put the bread. You're gonna put this
Yeah.
and add. Yes, good job. Awesome.
Yeah.
Sure? Sure?
About the show, I really like the content and the food. After I tasted it, it's fabulous. And yeah, that's basically it.
Now, Andy, we're gonna take egg in this. Okay. Okay. Cool, right?
Oddly satisfying.
Oddly satisfying. Why is it oddly satisfying? Then you want a yolk, or you want me to whisk it?
You can whisk it.
Sure.
Yeah. I mean, what is milk?
This one, yellow one. Okay. So I'll keep it. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. I'll just a little bit
Yeah,
stir
you
it.
have to keep it.
Okay. Okay. Just a little bit of oil, right? This much.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ready?
We're gonna add salt, right? Very little bit of salt, right? Okay, awesome.
I really like doing the funny parts because it's entertaining. And when we're doing in a time lapse, we have to go really slow. And it's actually really funny. We talk in the middle and everyone starts laughing. So those are the good parts of the channel. And then again, please subscribe and like and comment down below what we should do in the next
And then, Andy, we will add this crushed black pepper inside this.
Just a little bit.
Okay, this is better?
Yeah.
Okay, awesome. Done deal. And we're gonna pour here.
Why do you put the oil?
Because if you don't put oil, it will stick to the pan, right, Andy?
Okay.
Andy, we're gonna flip this.
Okay.
Okay? So to flip, you just have to make sure that you pick up the edge from here. Right? Flip this, Andy. Look at this.
Oh, wow.
Okay? You flip this.
Awesome.
Awesome? Good. So Andy, we are done Right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna keep the bread here, right? We're gonna take this, put it on the bread, okay? Put the cheese, okay? And
Yeah. It's nice and
almost done, right?
yeah.
You wanna say something?
It's great.
Okay, so thanks for watching our today's video. I hope you liked this video. I would appreciate if you could subscribe my channel. I Can Cook Too, and give me more likes and suggestions, comments, so that we can cook more dishes. And hopefully my guest will come back in next episode. You want to come back again?
That's a maybe.
Okay, that's a maybe. Okay, fine. So you want to enjoy this now with
Yeah.
the ketchup? Awesome. Good job. Thank you for watching video. Have a wonderful evening. Bye-bye.
Congratulations for this channel on 100 subscribers.